Yes.
Okay, so I think activity 6.6 of magnesium ribbon we are supposed to do today. Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you want me to revise this topic, chemical change? Should we start from there? Beta, say yes or no so that I can know whether you are
Yes, ma'am.
getting me or not. Gee, beta, thank you. Who is supposed to read? Who wants to read?
Ma'am, can I now?
Yes, Aina, go ahead.
6.2 Chemical change. A change with which you are quite familiar is a rusting of iron. If you leave a piece of iron in the
Is the
open
rusting
for
of?
some time, it's
Ma'am, can I read? Aina
Ma'am,
is
can I
reading
read
now.
and then Lehman?
Aina, beta, your voice is breaking. You are not audible.
Ma'am, can I read Aisha Lohia?
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I read and then Lehman?
That's her turn.
Aisha Lohia, read, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, from
G.
6.2 chemical change. A change with which you are quite familiar is the rusting of iron. If you leave a piece of iron in the open for some time, it acquires a film of brownish substance. This substance is called rust, and the process is called rusting. Iron gates of parks or farmlands, iron benches kept in lawns and gardens. Almost every article of iron kept in the open gets rusted. At home, you must have seen shovels and spades getting rusted when exposed to atmosphere for some time. In the kitchen, a wet iron pan tawa often gets rusted if left in that state for some time. Rust is not iron, it is different from iron on which it gets deposited. Let us consider a few more changes where new substances are formed.
Okay.
Light.
Okay, beta, thank you. Let me explain, then we'll go ahead, okay?
Okay.
So a change with which you are quite familiar is rusting of iron. Have you seen a rusting of iron? आयन की रस्टिंग देखी है girls? Beta, say yes or no at least. Have you seen rusting of iron?
No.
No, ma'am.
वो लोहिया जो है वो काट खा जाता है वो नहीं देखा? लोखंड में काट काट लग जाता है वो नहीं देखा? वो ब्राउन कलर का हो जाता है.
हाँ हाँ मैम.
हाँ, ma'am.
It
Yes
is
मैम.
nothing. That is rust. Gee, that is rusting of iron. So, what happens? Why does that happen? So, when you leave a piece of iron in open for some time, a brownish substance is formed. A brownish film is formed on that. Noticeable? देखा है ना?
Yes.
Okay, so that substance is called rust. उसको rust कहते हैं. When does this happen? It happens when the air containing, when we keep an iron piece in the air which contains moisture for a long time, it gets rusted. उसके ऊपर brown film आ जाती है. That is called rusting. The process is called rusting, and that brownish substance is called rust. Okay. Iron gates of parks, farmland, iron benches kept in lawns and gardens. Almost every article of iron kept in the open gets rusted. सारी items जो iron की बनी हुई है अगर उसको खुले में छोड़ दोगे बहुत टाइम तक तो वो rust हो जाएगा. At home you must have seen shovels and spades getting rusted when exposed to the atmosphere. Shovel and spade. Have you seen shovel and spade? See, all the items shown in the picture are rusted. Okay. Everything here is rusted. Now you can see what actually rusting is. See, can you see it?
Yes.
Can you see it? Okay.
Yes.
So in the kitchen, when a wet iron pan or tawa, if we wash it and if we do not wipe it immediately, it will also get rusted if we keep in that state for a long time. Now rust is not iron. It is different from iron on which it gets deposited. जो rust है, it is not iron. It is not a part of iron. It is something else. It is just getting deposited on iron. Deposit मतलब वो सिर्फ उस पे उसके ऊपर film बना रही है. It is not actually iron. Okay. We are going to do another activity which will show us the chemical change, which will explain it even better. So, to be demonstrated by the teacher, this activity is supposed to be done by the teacher. And if anybody here wants to read, go ahead.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
You need to say your name.
Ma'am, can I
Aisha
answer?
Zakia.
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
Can
Come
I?
again.
Emdani Ayman.
I'm Imdani Ayman.
Can I
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ayman, go ahead.
Get a small piece of a thin strip or ribbon of magnesium.
Magnesium. Magnesium.
Magnesium. Clean its tip with sandpaper. Bring the tip near a candle flame. It burn with a brilliant white light. Fix 6.3. When it is completely burnt, its leave behind a powdery ash. Does the ash look like the magnesium ribbon? The change can be represented by the following equation: magnesium Mg, oxygen O, and magnesium oxygen MgO.
Magnesium oxide it is, okay? So what they are basically trying to tell us is when we there is a thin strip of magnesium ribbon, okay? Magnesium ribbon ki thin strip aati hai. Magnesium is nothing but it is an element. You must be thinking what magnesium is. It is nothing but it is an element. So what happens before burning it? You need to clean it with a sandpaper. You need to rub that magnesium ribbon with a sandpaper, and when you burn it in on the Bunsen burner, it will burn with a white light. Can you see it? This is a magnesium ribbon. This is a magnesium ribbon, and when you burn it will burn with a white light. Bright white light से burn हो रही है वो, ठीक है? You can see it, right? So after it burns completely, जब वो completely burn हो जाएगी, it will leave behind its powdery ash. You know what is ash? Do you know what is ash? Ash is nothing but जो राख कहते हैं ना हम, जो जलने के बाद जो बच जाता है, that is called ash, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So that ash is different from the magnesium ribbon. अगर magnesium ribbon का color ये है मानो, suppose, then the ash will be of different color, okay? The ash will be of its ash will be of different color. All right, understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
After burning, got it or not?
Ma'am, got it.
So
Yes,
why
ma'am.
does that happen? When you burn magnesium ribbon, it will, if after it burns completely, the color of the ash will be different. Why does that happen so? Because magnesium is reacting with oxygen, magnesium is reacting with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Okay, ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से आया बीच में? Where did the oxygen come from? It came from atmosphere because you're burning it in open, right? So oxygen from the atmosphere will react with magnesium and it will form MgO. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me what happens. One of you, please explain what happens.
Can I more this?
Sorry.
Can I more this?
Yes, beta. Yes.
Magnesium plus oxygen is equal to MgO.
It is called magnesium oxide. Magnesium plus oxygen will give magnesium oxide. Okay.
Magnesium oxide.
So what is happening now? See, I'm explaining you once more, and then please explain me. Okay? If I ask you to, please try to explain it. What is basically
Okay.
happening here? Magnesium. When we burn magnesium ribbon, it is burning with a white light. It is burning with a white flame, and after burning, its ashes are of different color. सो वो डिफरेंट कलर का उसकी एशेज है वो अलग कलर की क्यों हो जाती है बिकॉज magnesium is reacting with oxygen which is present in the atmosphere and it is forming magnesium oxide मतलब magnesium में change आया मैग्नीशियम है वो मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड बन गया तो ये दोनों दोनों चीजें अलग है मैग्नीशियम फर्स्ट इट वाज ओनली मैग्नीशियम then it got converted into magnesium oxide correct these two things are different. That's why the color was different because it reacted with oxygen which was present in the atmosphere and it formed magnesium oxide. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood. Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Can you explain it? Can you try? Just try, beta. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you try, beta? Yes or no? Should I go ahead? You don't want to say?
Ma'am.
Okay. Your voice was cutting. I could not hear you clearly, but I guess you said go ahead, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is going to happen now? Now what we are supposed to do? जो ash हमको मिली है, the ash we got by burning the magnesium ribbon, you have to collect that ash and mix it in water. Okay, you have to collect that ash and mix it in water. Now you have to stir the mixture properly. मतलब you have to mix it well. You have to stir it. Now you have to test that mixture with a blue and red litmus paper. Does the mixture turn red litmus blue or it turns the blue litmus red? What does it happen? So on the basis of the test, how do you classify the aqueous solution acidic or basic? On dissolving the ash in water, it forms a new substance and this change can be written as magnesium oxide plus water will give magnesium hydroxide and this substance is a base, okay, and it is going to turn red litmus paper blue, okay. Okay, so first what happened, let me explain you. Okay, first magnesium reacted with oxygen to form magnesium oxide, correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
It formed magnesium oxide, right? देन दिस मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड की जो एशेस थी, एशेस के फॉर्म में था ना मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड, राइट? उसको हमने पानी में मिलाया. We mixed it in water, and that's how it formed MgOH twice, magnesium hydroxide. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So magnesium
Yes.
reacted with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Oxygen कहाँ से आया? It was present in air, atmosphere. Very good, very good. Then magnesium oxide was mixed in water. इसकी ashes हमको मिली थी, right? इसकी ashes मिली थी ना हमें? Yes or no?
Yes.
So these ashes we mixed it in water. तो मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड के ashes हमने पानी में मिलाई, and that's how it formed magnesium hydroxide. Okay, what did it form? Magnesium hydroxide. Hydroxide, correct. Understood? Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, can you
now,
repeat?
yes, but I will repeat it for you. So magnesium hydroxide is a base. You know the difference of acid and base, right? Base will turn red litmus paper to blue. Okay? I'm explaining it once again. Listen, okay? First we took magnesium element. Then when we burnt it, it reacted with oxygen, correct? It
Yes.
reacted with oxygen to form magnesium oxide, right? These were nothing but it was ashes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Ashes the na? Okay. Then what did we do? We put these ashes of magnesium oxide in water. Correct? This is water. This is the formula of water. Yes or no? And that's how it formed magnesium hydroxide. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Magnesium hydroxide. Okay?
Yes.
Now, when we tested this magnesium hydroxide with litmus paper, तो उसमें रेड लिटमस पेपर जो है उसका कलर है वो ब्लू हो गया. तो लिटमस पेपर ब्लू कलर का कब होता है? When does the litmus paper turn blue? When it is basic. Yes or no?
Yes.
अगर सब्सटेंस एसिडिक है तो लिटमस पेपर रेड हो जाएगा. अगर सब्सटेंस बेसिक है तो लिटमस पेपर रेड में से ब्लू हो जाता है. यस, अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, इज इट क्लियर नाउ एवरीबॉडी?
Yes.
You want to take the screenshot of this or you want to write it in your book? You can, okay? However you feel comfortable, you can do it. If you want to take the screenshot of this. Done? Should I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No,
Uh,
ma'am. 1 minute.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Done? Should we go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who wants to read activity
Ma'am, can I read
6.7?
it?
I cannot
Ma'am,
hear
I
you
can
better.
read Rathod Ma'am, can I read Ilma?
Ma'am, can I read it? Ma'am,
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 can
I
can
I
I
can
Uh,
read
read.
I
Ilma?
can I can hear the
Ma'am,
name
can I?
Rathod Tarannum properly. Rathod
Ma'am,
Tarannum, please read.
can I
ma'am,
read?
can I? Ma'am, Then can I read, Dilma?
Yes, Ilma. Okay, then you can read. Okay.
I'm
Okay, ma'am.
after Ilma, can I read? I
Activity
जी
6.7
बेटा.
to be demonstrated by the teacher. Dissolve about a teaspoonful of copper sulfate, blue vitriol, or Nila Thota in about half a cup of water in a glass tumbler or a beaker. Add a few drops of dilute sul- sulfuric,
Sulfuric acid.
sulfuric acid to the solution. You should get a blue colored solution. You save a small sample of the solution in a test tube or a small glass bottle. Drop a nail or used a shaving blade into remaining solution. Wait for a half an hour or so. Observe the color of the solution. Compare it with the color of the sample solution saved separately. Green is due to the formation.
Yeah. Do you see?
Do you see any change in the color of the solution? Take out the nail or the blade. Has it changed in any way? The change that you notice are due to a reaction between copper sulfate and iron. The change of color of the solution from blue to green is due to the formation of iron sulfate, a new substance. The brown deposit deposit of the iron nail is copper. Another new substance. We can write the reaction as copper sulfate solution blue plus iron sulfate solution green plus copper brown deposit.
Okay. So here, what you are supposed to do, first you have to take a teaspoonful of copper sulfate. Blue vitriol और नीला थोथा उसको कहते हैं. It is basically copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is blue in color. I will show you the exact color of copper sulfate, and that's how you will get it. What exactly it looks like. This is the color of copper sulfate. Okay, got it? Yes or no?
yes,
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
what you have to do is you have to add about half a cup of water in a glass tumbler or a beaker. Then you have to add a few drops of sulfuric acid. सबसे पहले क्या करना है? You have to add copper sulfate. Take a glass, add copper sulfate, CuSO4. This is copper sulfate. Then you have to add few drops of sulfuric acid. Okay, sulfuric acid. Can you understand the handwriting I'm writing in? Because it is becoming very hard for me to write on this. समझ आ रहा है ना बट आपको?
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Sulfuric acid, okay? And also there is some water in the beaker. Here there is water in the beaker, okay? You added copper sulfate and sulfuric acid, understood? Yes or no?
yes,
Now, when you add copper sulfate and sulfuric acid, the solution is going to turn like this. Okay, it is going to turn to this color. Copper sulfate is blue color, and then when you add sulfuric acid, you will get a blue colored solution. Understood?
yes,
यहाँ तक समझ में आया बेटा?
yes,
Then what you have to do, you have to separate some amount of blue colored solution in separate test tube, क्योंकि हमें कलर कंपेयर करना है, इसलिए बाकी कोई रीजन नहीं है उसको सेपरेट करने का. ठीक है, you just have to separate it because we want to compare the color of the solution when we drop an iron nail or a blade into the beaker. अंडरस्टूड? यस और नो?
Yes.
फिर हमें क्या करना है? अ you have to drop a nail or a used shaving blade into the remaining solution, and we have to wait for half an hour. Now after you are done with this, जब ये हो जाए तब हमें नेल में क्या डालना है? You have to drop a iron blade into the solution. हाफ एन आवर के बाद देखोगे तो सोल्यूशन ग्रीन कलर का हो गया होगा. The solution you get will be of green color. Okay, after you see it, after you drop a nail or a blade. Nail मतलब it is nothing but खिल्ला. वो नाखून की बात नहीं कर रहे. It is, they are not talking about नाखून, they are talking about iron nail. खिल्ले के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? And if you keep it in the solution for an hour or so, the solution is going to turn green. Can you see the color change of color in the solution?
Yes.
Yes. So why does that happen? Because observe the color of the solution and compare it with the color of the sample you saved separately. पहले copper sulfate का color ये था along with sulfuric acid. Then when you dropped a blade into the solution, it turned green color. Why did that happen? Then you have to take the nail out and you have to see whether it changed or not. पहले वो silvery था, फिर उसके ऊपर फर्स्ट इट वाज सिल्वर कलर, देन उसके ऊपर ब्राउन कलर की फिल्म आ गई थी, है ना? यस और नो? यू कैन सी द चेंज इन द ब्लेड आल्सो, राइट? यस और नो?
Yes.
या डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड द एक्टिविटी? यहाँ तक समझ में आया बेटा?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. Then what happened? The change that you notice are due to the reaction between copper sulfate and iron. Copper sulfate और iron के बीच में chemical reaction हुआ. The change of the color of the solution from blue to green is due to the formation of iron sulfate, which is a new substance. And the brown color deposited on the iron nail is copper, another new substance, and we can write this reaction like this. Green pehle, first when the solution was blue color, it was copper sulfate, CuSO4. Then it turned to green color, correct? Because the solution turned to FeSO4, that is iron sulfate. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, beta? Why it turned to iron sulfate? Because we dropped a plate in the solution. That's why it turned to iron sulfate. Yes or no? First is it was copper sulfate. It was blue in color. Then it, with the copper sulfate, first it was of blue color. Then it turned to iron sulfate because हमने iron की blade अंदर डाली थी ना. This was made up of iron, right? Yes or no? तो इसमें से जो आयन है वो कॉपर के साथ रिप्लेस हो गया, and that's why the solution turned to green color. Understood? And the copper in the solution deposited on the iron blade. That's why it turned to brown color. Understood or not? हेलो बेटा, समझ में आया? मैं फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दूं आपको?
Yes.
यस मैम, हमको समझ में आया.
समझ में आया कि वापस एक्सप्लेन करूं बेटा? एक और बार समझा दूं?
No, ma'am.
No,
समझ
ma'am.
में आ
नहीं समझ.
श्योर?
Yes,
Yes.
नहीं
ma'am.
समझ में
यस
आया?
मैम.
समझ में आ
किस पक्का?
Yes.
पक्का मैम.
एक और बार समझा दूं?
नहीं
हाँ
मैम.
मैम.
Okay. Anybody else who wants an explanation, please tell me. And anyways, we have 5 minutes, so I can explain you once more. Okay. We can go with this. Okay. First of all, the solution was blue in color. Yes or no?
Yes.
कॉपर सल्फेट, राइट? कॉपर सल्फेट को सी यू
Yes.
एस ओ फोर लिखो तो समझ में आएगा.
Yes.
ओके. फिर हमने उसमें क्या डाला? ब्लेड डाली. We dropped an iron blade inside. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
If you want, take the screenshot, okay? फिर screenshot ले लेना. Then the solution turned to green color. Why did the solution turn to green color? Because iron blade was inside. Correct? Yes or no? The solution became FeSO4 instead of CuSO4, and the blade which was Fe before it turned to Cu. अंडरस्टूड. मतलब एक्सचेंज हो गया. कॉपर है वो सोल्यूशन में आ गया और सोल्यूशन में जो Fe था वो कॉपर के ब्लेड के ऊपर आ गया. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want, take the screenshot of this.
Okay, ma'am.
Done. Done, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The color of the solution from blue to green, the color of the solution from blue to green is because due to the formation of iron sulfate. आयन सल्फेट फॉर्म हुआ इसलिए सोल्यूशन है वो ग्रीन हो गया, विच इज अ न्यू सब्सटेंस. देन द ब्राउन कलर डिपॉजिटेड ऑन द आयन नेल इज कॉपर. ओके. So
Yes,
copper
ma'am.
sulfate solution, which was of blue color, it turned to iron sulfate, which was of green color, and copper, which was brown color. Understood?
Yes.
Understood till here, beta?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, if you want, I can introduce myself to you so that you know who am I. तो आप
Yes.
बोलो तो मैं कैमरा ऑन कर दूँ. Recording एक बार stop हो जाए फिर I will turn on the camera so that you guys can see me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Can you write in the chat box to turn off the recording?